Meaning of ink.
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 Ink. The term ENC can refer to several things depending on the context. In general, it is an abbreviation that stands for enclosed or enclosure. It may indicate that a document or item has been included in a letter or package, or that a portion of text has been enclosed in brackets or parentheses. In some technical fields, ENC may also be short for encoding, which refers to the process of converting data into a specific format for transmission or storage. Overall, the meaning of ENC depends on the context in which it is used.